Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Schlage Encode smart lock with Z-Wave reset step by step clearly. To begin the reset process, ensure that your Schlage Encode smart lock is powered on. Locate the Schlage button on the lock, which is typically found on the front face. Press and hold the Schlage button for about 5 seconds until the lock status light turns orange. Release the Schlage button after the light changes. Next, press the Schlage button again. This time, hold it until the status light flashes orange and green. Once you see the green light, your lock is now in pairing mode. Now, grab your Z-Wave compatible hub or controller. Refer to the specific instructions for your Z-Wave hub to initiate the inclusion process. Follow the prompts on your hub to add the Schlage Encode lock. Once your hub indicates the lock has been added, look for a confirmation on the lock itself. The lock should flash a green light, indicating it has successfully joined the Z-Wave network. If the lock fails to connect, repeat the previous steps. To exit pairing mode, simply press the Schlage button one more time. The lock will automatically exit pairing mode after a brief period of inactivity. Test the connection by locking and unlocking the door using your Z-Wave hub. And that's it, your Schlage Encode smart lock is now restored and integrated with your Z-Wave system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.